Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. The video starts by explaining the goal. Download all SVG images from a website. So let's get started. Open Google and search for the SVG Gobbler Chrome extension, a tool that finds and exports SVGs from web pages. Get the extension, click on it. Click Add to Chrome and confirm by selecting Add extension to install it. After installation, click the extension's icon and pin SVG Gobbler so it's always visible in your browser. Go to the website where you want to download SVG images. Click the SVG Gobbler extension. It will list all SVG images found on that page. You can download SVGs individually or select all and export them in one batch. The exported files will be downloaded to your computer as SVG images. The creator asks users to like and subscribe if the fix helped.